Tired of manual data entry in Excel? Get ready to streamline your workflow with this Excel hack. We'll show you how to import or copy data from a website into Excel using Power Query. This will be simplest method to do Excel web scraping. Welcome to WorkSmart Hub. I am Shiraz, and don't forget to give this video thumbs up, drop your suggestions and appreciations in comments, hit the subscribe button and bell button to get more exciting videos like this. Here's a website and I want to get this table into Excel. Let's copy this and paste in Excel. Here you can see the data is not in proper tabular form. We have data scattered across multiple rows with images and different columns merged. Let me show you how to get the desired and transformed data automatically every time without copy paste every time and complex cleaning or transforming data. Go for Data tab, go for From Web, copy the website, paste here, click OK. It might take some time to load the website. Once done, you can either select the desired table from the list or go for Web View to see the table. Once selected, you can click the Load button to load the table directly to the Excel, or click Transform Data to clean the data or table before loading. This is the default table which we'll get if we load the table directly, but let's transform or clean the data first. We got this close add a row after few rows. To get rid of this, let's go for Filter and uncheck this and click OK. Let's delete the columns we don't want by right click on the top and click Remove Columns. Once done, let's click here Close and Load and click Close and Load. It will load the desired table after the transformation. Whenever you want to update the data in here, simply go for Data tab and click Refresh All. It will update this table. You don't have to copy the data every time and clean it. For related videos of data automation, go for the link in the description. See you soon.